Turning off liquid glass on an iPhone is now more precise with the iOS 26.2 update on the app screen and lock screen. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap on the Display and Brightness option. Tap on liquid glass and select the Tinted option. A verification pop-up will ask, "Turn off reduce transparency and increase contrast?" Select Turn off and use the Tinted option. You'll see the changes on the app screen, the home screen, and the lock screen. Now, on the lock screen, you can customize and change the clock font's liquid glass transparency. Go to Wallpaper Settings in the Settings app and tap on the Customize option. Then, tap on the clock font to change the style. Use the slider to adjust the font liquid glass transparency, or select Solid to completely disable liquid glass for the clock font. That's all the ways to turn off liquid glass on iPhone or iPad in the iOS 26.2 update. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.